machine component. This is a machine component. So draw to a scale 1:1 what the following views of this component in first angle orthographic projection. So 2.1, you are expected to draw the full sectional front view of item 1. Of the front of the component. This is not detailed drawing, okay. 2.2, draw a full sectional top view on the cutting plane XX. 2.3, please draw a sectional left view on the cutting plane YY. So here they want all of them, the three of them. So you have to draw the front view, fully sectional front view, and what a fully sectional top view on the cutting plane XX, and a fully sectional left view on the cutting plane YY. So then you are going to draw them simultaneously. You have to draw them simultaneously. So how? Let us start now. They said we're using what? A scale of 1:1. Using a scale of 1:1. So this is the front view, this is the top view. This is the front view, this is the top view. Who's telling you that? It's that symbol. It's that symbol of what? Of first angle orthographic projection symbol. You understand? So then I'll start with what? With my just horizontal constructional line here. Here you go. And another one, vertical one. Here we go. Right. So I've just drawn the horizontal constructional line as well as the vertical constructional line. I don't know whether you can see them or not. So now from where they are perpendicular to each other, I am going to record what? This height, because there is not any height which is bigger than what? 80. So I'll just record 80 millimeter. You can start where there is my 80 millimeter, and let me get the half of 8 millimeter. The half of 8 millimeter is 40, isn't it? So this half is going to be that one where the XX is actually running. Understand? So once I have this, so which means I can simply draw what? A horizontal center line. There you go. So draw it just a little bit long, because you're still going to need it where? Right here, there by your left view. Remember the question say draw the left view as well. What is going to happen now? I can take this one, faint where my 8 ends. You understand? Because from here till there, we said is 8 millimeter, isn't it? So where my 8 millimeter ends, I'm going to record 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter, and I draw a faint horizontal constructional line as well. You understand? Then from there, I am going to record this one. Where are we? So now they said from here till here is how much? Is 60 millimeter, isn't it? From here till here 60 millimeter. So that's the width or the breadth. You understand? Is the width or the breadth. So there is my 60 ending, and the half of 60 is what? Is 30. So I can also just mark that half of 60. then I draw horizontal center line and the constructional horizontal line. You understand? So which means my top view is supposed to be fitted somewhere here, my front view is supposed to be fitted somewhere there. You understand? So we are, in other ways, we are drawing them simultaneously. You understand? And then once we have this, now what is going to happen now I can come and record what this from here till here. The set is 22 millimeter. From here till here, do you see that I'm actually pointing it right from my my top view. So from here till here is 22 millimeter. So if you say 22 millimeter divided by 2, you must have your calculator by your side. So 22 divided by 2 is how much? It's 11, isn't it? So this is 10, this is 11. So this is 21, this is 22. So from here till here, I have it dark. So I draw it horizontally faint, draw it horizontally faint. You understand? Then after that, I can now say from here till here is how much? We are told what is 4 millimeters. So I come and record this 4 millimeter. There is my 5, but I'm looking for 4. Is right there. So I construct it up faint, so that when I go to my front view, that 4 millimeter I won't even have to re-record it, because of I've already dealt with it there by my top view. You understand? So from there, the other one, so from here till there is 40 millimeter. So from here till there is 40 millimeter. So 40 divided by 2, we are getting how much? 20. So I can simply put my drawing, my dimension ruler at 20, and I mark at 40, and I mark at 0. From here till here is 20. From here till here is 20. From 0 is to here is what? Is 40, isn't it? After I've gotten that, construct them horizontally. You understand? But then look at your given view. So these arcs we are not given. So we are not given what is read as what. You understand? You are not given what is read as what. So since we are not given, we are going to rely on these ones. So which means, first of all, this one. This one. It was not a sharp corner, so I am not going to draw it as a sharp corner. Which one is that one? You see this one. A1. Then secondly, this one. A1. So again, it's not a sharp corner. Let me see. They said 40. Yes, that's my 40. So which means I must make that sharp corner here, not here. Do not forget that. So push it horizontally towards my. There it is. Then I can have this one, which is what I've gotten this one. Understand? Remember, as we are drawing the question set, draw a full sectional top view. So as much as I am here at the top view, which means I am expressing what? The cutting plane of XX. because the law of a sectional drawing, it says whatever that is beyond your cutting plane, we consider it as an off cut. So we draw what is being pointed by the arrow of the cutting plane. Understand? Then from there, let's see, from here till there is how much. From here till here is how much we are given is 40 millimeter. So there they are telling you what from here till there, please do 40. So this 40 is going to start here. From here, there is my 40, and I can get the half of 40, which is 20, and this half of 40 is going to give me what? The horizontal center line. A1. So I can get to this one again here. Understand? Firstly construct a faint line, then after the faint line, this one I can get it. So there you go. But then I was too forward to draw it dark, because from here till there is going to what? It's going to disappear, which means somewhere, somehow I have to what? I have to erase. Understand? So from here till here is 40. Okay, it's fine. Remember that we're drawing the what at the top view. Why am I confusing myself? Was that one is front? Okay, so it's a straight line. We are at a right track. Okay, and then from here till there is how much? Is 4 millimeter. From here till here is 4 millimeter. There they are telling you there by your front view, 4 millimeter. This is 5, then my 4 is right here. So I can construct a vertical constructional line. Right. So let's look at the dimension from here till the set is what is diameter 26. So if you say 26 divided by 2, you are going to get how much? 13, isn't it? So I'm going to put, this is 10, 12, 13 here at my center line. You understand? So this is 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then I mark at 26. This is 26. And I mark at 0. So that from here till here is 20. Excuse me, is the true 26. So I can construct it horizontally faint. Construct it horizontally faint. You understand? So TikTok guys, are you still with us? Are you still with us? Yes or no? Can you still hear my voice? Yes or no? So now if I'm at this extent, so I have to get what that radius there. That radius there. So the set is what is 4. So which means it will be good as if it's diameter 4. So in my stencil ruler I can use diameter 24, and I know what is supposed to touch where my 26 end, which is right here. Where is diameter 4? Is it this one? Diameter 4, which is this one. Understand? So what I did this other side, supposed to do it on this other side. Just go down a little bit. There you go. There you go. Right, so after that So if we are tracing the cutting plane of XX, from here till here it's going to disappear. You understand? So you don't even draw what at the end of the day you have to erase. So what is your drawing? Analyze the cutting plane, and from here till here it will disappear. From here till here it will disappear. From here till here it will disappear. Remember, we cut to expose the inside view. You understand? We cut to expose the inside view. So if it's like this, it's like it's what is the outside top view of this matching component. You understand? So the question said draw a full sectional top view. You understand? And by analyzing or interpreting the cutting plane, we can be able to by just looking at the cutting plane, we can be able to interpret the question. You understand? So if the cutting plane is positioned like this, or you are given it like this, you must know what is actually saying draw a full sectional, a front view, or a top view, or a left view. So in this case XX, but this XX I'm actually correlating it way in my top view, because even the arrows, they are pointing what down. So from here till here it will disappear. You don't even have to draw. From here till here it will disappear. From here till there it will disappear. From here till there it will disappear. And check what is this one in your front view. Actually this 1 2 1 2, these are holes, which is this one. You understand? So if we are running this cutting plane at a cutting plane of your XX there by your front view, so from here till here it will cut. From here till here it's a gap, and check this, from here till here it's a hole, but this hole, this cutting plane of yours is cutting this hole along its height or length. You understand? So there will be some material that will be cut there, so it's going to change to a dark here, dark here. You understand? Isn't it? It's now hidden. So from here till here dark, from here to, because they said it's diameter 12, so this diameter 12 is still the same as that one there by your front view. So from here till there it's gonna change to dark. From here till there gonna change to dark. From here till there gonna change to dark. So let's go. It will go up until here. So which means this part again supposed to be solid. This part it will be solid. This part it will be solid. This part it will be solid. Right. Check nicely. If this XX of yours is like this, when you look down, remember we draw what is being pointed by an arrow. So if you take a closer look, so these arrows, they're actually pointing down. So now let's assume you're inside there. It's a room that you can enter. You understand? So if you put your leg here, you put your leg here, you look down, you're going to see a hole. You understand? This hole, it will be the hole of diameter what? 12. You put your leg here, you put your leg here, isn't it? You look down, you're going to see this hole of diameter 12, right? Now can you look up? Are you do we have any hole there? We do not have the hole. You understand? So the hole is only this bottom part of your front view. When you look up, there is no hole. And even besides that, we draw what is being pointed by the cutting plane arrows. So which means this hole, you're going to see it clearly. This hole, you're going to see it clearly, of diameter 12. So which means that one is going to be solid. It's going to be dark solid. And then what is this one? This one is hidden details. So this one, can't you see what this one is? Actually that one, which is diameter 22. You understand? So which is diameter 22. So is going to disappear as well, because dark lines, they'll disappear. Hidden lines, sometimes they disappear. Most of the time they change to be solid, but in sometimes they disappear. Like for instance, this one, they will have to disappear, this one. Understand? So this cutting plane, it will go, it will go, it will go, it will go. So do you see that it's going along these hidden details? So these hidden details, they will be solid as well. Remember, solid way in your top view, in your top view. So this one's solid, this one's solid. I wanted to emphasize on the point that did we cut it these diameter 8 holes? Did we cut it them? No. Still the cutting plane of XS, it was of XX actually cut it in the middle, in the center. So this one is going to remain with the part that we are looking for. This one is going to go with an offcut. So this XX hexo of ours didn't cut it them. So it means they will have to disappear. You don't even draw them. You don't even draw them. You understand? So let's go. Let's go now from here till here. I've done it. We've done it already. The set is 60. So I can just have it like this and like that. Anyway, so now let me come and finish what I did here. Do it up there. Here we go. And like this I can go. And like this I can go. So now I can easily come here. So from here till there, the set is the thickness of it is 10 millimeter. So I come and record it here. 10 millimeter. You understand? Then I project it up. Faint. I can have 10 there again, which is this one now. You understand? So from here till here, you see that it's already disappeared. While I'm drawing, I'm also analyzing the cutting plane, so that those that they will disappear, we don't even draw them. You understand? So now after this 10 millimeter, there is dimension of 20 millimeter. Check it nicely there by your front view. We are given from there till there is 20 millimeter. From here there is my 20 millimeter. You understand? So simply construct it up. Faint. You understand? So let's check this. So from here till there is diameter is diameter 46. So if you say 46 divided by 2, you are going to get 23 as far as I'm concerned. So simply put it 21, 2, 23. You understand? So I mark it 46, back to 0. 45, this is 46, back to 0. What is I'm dimension or recording, I'm also drawing. You understand? So I can draw it horizontally. Then from there I will know what now we have this one dark, we have this one dark, then we go like this we go. You understand? So I am done with an outer part, with the outer part of my top view. I am done. It's like this. So now we are going to go back to check the inner part of it. You understand? So let's come back to this box. So the set is 26. So 26 divided by 2, because of this vertical center line, because from here till there is a half of 26. From here till there it's a half of 26. From there till there is 26. So 26 divided by 2, you are getting how much? 13, isn't it? So simply put you at 13. This is 11, 12, 13. You understand? 13 there. So I mark at 26, 25, 26 and 0. You understand? So construct it faint up. There you go. Construct it faint up. There you go. Right. And then what is the length of it? Okay, the length, it was 26. What is the width or breadth from here to there? Let me check something. There you go. And then down here, okay, it's actually the same as this one, which means it's 26 as well. So of which is what we've done it. There it is the corner, there it is the corner. No, not this one, but this one. Another one here, another one there. All right, and it's going to become solid, all of it. So which means I can draw it solid or dark. You understand? So there you go. Even this other side, just be careful. Yes, like this I can go, and then close it. There you go. Close it. There you go. You understand? So without fear or favor, we know what is going to be. Dark. Alright, so now come back here. The set is diameter 12. You understand? So 12 divided by 2. How much are you getting? This is 5, 6. You understand? So I mark at 11, 12. I mark it 12 and 0. You understand? So we said it is going to be solid. Yeah, and solid right there. A1. So is it the same diameter from here till here? Is diameter 12 throughout. Who's telling us, emphasizing that from here till here is diameter 12 throughout, isn't it? Check nicely your front view. They are telling you, see, what is still the same diameter. You understand? So which means I can simply construct it faint horizontally, faint horizontally, but from here till there, so it's gonna change to dark. From here till it's gonna change to dark. So if I'm till such an extent with my top view is done, it is complete. Remember, with your front view, we just did it half done. So but then any dimension behaving horizontal, we are not going to do it. It's done already because we've constructed the lines vertically up. You understand? So right from your horizontal, we can now horizontal center line, we can begin with what? With our dimension. So again, if we are tracing the cutting plane YY, so read the question. A full sectional front view, which means the cutting plane is situated on your top view. and is situated like this as well. You understand? So which means, my brother, this one from here till here, you are not going to draw it dark. You're going to disappear it. From here till here, you disappear it. From here till here, you don't even draw it. From here till here, you don't even draw it. You don't even draw it. We understand? You don't draw it because of we cut to expose the inside view, right? So if it's still like this, it's still the outside front view. So if we cut here and the hacksaw points, they will be pointing up like this. You understand? So they will be pointing up like this. Let's say maybe it was beeping, because the question they didn't specify. They just said a full sectional front view. So if they say a full sectional front view, well, now you must know what the cutting plane is where is in the center. It's along your center. You understand? Okay, so this one is gonna change to be solid. There you go. Solid. There you go. Solid. Including this one, it should be solid. You know why including this one? Because of I ask you there by your top view, what are these dimensions standing for there by your front view? This is your top view, isn't it? This dimension there by your front view is they're actually talking about this. So do you see that this BP cutting plane, it went through them all? So that is why they are going to be solid now, since they were hidden as an outside view. So we cut to expose the inside view. They are now exposed to be what? To be dark. You understand? You understand? So again, this one dark, this one dark. Check the diameter 8 holes again. So the diameter 8 holes again, they will disappear there by our front view. This one, this one, this one, this one. Why? Because if we trace the cutting plane of PP there by our top view, this diameter hole, they only if maybe we were having another one here, that's when there by your top view was going to be something else. But since we are cutting in the center of them, the one is gonna go with an offcut, the one with the used part, so they will disappear. You understand? So then now let's start. So I'm going to start with this one from there till there, which is this one from here till have it dark. So which means if I have it dark like this, even up there, it's going to be dark. You understand? So the set from here till here is diameter 46. So which means again it's 46. So this time around, I'll simply put my drawing compass here. Put it here in my top view. Then I come and put it here in my front view. So I just mark here and here. Then from there, I have it solid. There you go, solid. The sharp corner, solid here, solid here. Which one is this one? It's this one. There you go. There you go. So we've already gotten this part. From here till there, it would disappear. Remember, like as we've said that. So the inner one, they said is diameter 26, which means it's existing in all axes. So it's still the same diameter 26 there. You understand? So I can go back to my top view, just place it diameter 26. This is it. Then I come to my front view, mark here and mark here. Then construct horizontally faint, construct horizontally faint. Then from there, set its diameter, that is 4 millimeter. You understand? So which means this is an arc of diameter 4. You understand? So that is why here I'll simply use diameter 4. Just like this. See this on this other side. Just like this. Then from here I can have this one dark. So have this corner fix it nicely. Then from there, from here, what is going to happen? So I can have it solid here, have this one solid. I'm drawing at night. I know it's always a challenge. So this is still the same as that one. They've told you from here till is 40, which is the same as from here till is 40. You understand? So I can simply take my drawing compass, come and place it here, open it to half of 20, which is 40, isn't it? Come and place it here at my front view. Just mark here and mark here, and from there construct a horizontal fin line. So this horizontal constructional line, they will assist you when you are now drawing your third view, which is your left view. You understand? So now I'm going to have a corner here. This corner is actually this one. So another, remember I'm tracing it how. Another one, which is this one, there it goes, another one there. You understand? Another one here. There it goes, another one here. So why am I pointing them like this? So that I will know what that's where my turning point or my stopping point is. So this one is straight. The upper part of it is straight, which is that one. What is that one? So check this. We're even given the thickness from here till here 7, which is automatically came out by itself. You see? So actually we were spoon-feeded a lot with dimensions. There you go. You understand? So even down here I'll do the same thing. So I am not going to draw it more, remember, because of there's something happening here, which is this one from here till there has to what? Has to disappear. And this one. There you go. Right. So it has got thickness of what? Of 4 millimeter. So from here till here 4 millimeter. That 5 there is my 4 millimeter. You understand? So the 4 millimeter. Now construct horizontally There you go. Horizontally. Right. After the 4, there is what? The outer diameter is what? Is 12 of, is 22 of, which is what we did here. So I can simply come and record it right here. Just this one. Now I come and place it here. Just mark here and mark right there. You understand? So now we have marked construct faint horizontally, faint vertically, not horizontally. So this one, it should be dark from here till right there. Which one is this one? Which one is this one? It's this one. From here till here. A1. So which is from here till here. So I can have this, I can have that. So there you go. So in this other side, I was wondering what is happening now. So there you go. So from here till here has to disappear. That's just a little bit. You understand? So it's the same diameter 12, diameter 12. You understand? So simply, if you don't want to record it, you can simply, because you've recorded it before. You understand? So come mark here, mark here. So now just draw the vertically constructional line, vertically constructional line. You understand? So it's the one that's going to be dark. The one that's going to be dark. It should be dark from here till here. So let's get this. So this is the same as this one that we did down here. So just come back here, record dimension, take them to my front view. This is it. Right from my top view, right center to this one. Now I take it to my front view. There it is. There it is. Oh, we had it. Right. So which means it's going to be, there it goes, going to be this corner, that one, and that one. And all of it is going to be dark. It's going to change solid. So there you go. Solid. And this will go solid. And this will go solid. Like this will go solid. You understand? So now it's the same what? Diameter 12, which is the same as that one in our front view. You understand? So we've done it here. So I can simply take dimension. Now I can place it here, mark here, mark here. There you go from my top view. This one now, mark here, mark here. You understand? So this one is going to be dark from here till there, and from here till there. There we go. There we go. So that I can have this one dark from here to right there. There you go. Then get this one horizontal constructional line. Horizontal constructional line. And then there you go. And there you can go. Right. So according to the full sectional front view is done like this. So you have to put your hatches, but remember this one from here to there, you have to erase it. You have to erase it. You understand? So remember 2.3, they say draw a full sectional left view. Left view. So which is the missing view? And you'll be given 8 marks. 8 marks. So now this is the front, this is the what? This is the top. This is the front, this is the top. So which means on the bottom right hand corner, of my front view, I'm going to have this line. Oosh. This line. So erase this one. Erase this one. And this one. Can erase it. There one. Then from here we are going to construct all the lines from our top view. Take them, construct them horizontally. Once they touch this line of 45 degrees, they will change the direction. They will be going vertically up. So all the points that are behaving horizontally, you construct them horizontally. Once they touch this line of 45 degrees, you construct them vertically up. You understand? So this one is already there. Every line that is crossing over now, because once it gets here, it's supposed to change direction. You understand? This one is already there. This one is already there. There it is. There it is. There it is. The center is not there. Stop here. There it is. Extend this one. Hey one. Extend this one. Once they touch it, they're gonna go vertically up. Project them up now. Understand? Up towards your front view. There you go. There you go. Yeah.